RYOBI has dragged the old push mower into the 21st century, giving it cordless power. Thanks to technology, the old cylinder mower is no longer a chore. In the good old days, push mowers were all the rage, but they had their drawbacks. Yep, this is how we used to cut the lawn. They were hard to push, no adjustment, but lawn enthusiasts swore by them. Cylinder mowers use a scissor-like action as opposed to a tearing action of a rotary lawnmower to deliver a crisp, clean finish. This precise cutting action is also really good for your grass. It reduces those brown tips that not only look bad, but they can kill your lawn. This little beauty is low maintenance, lightweight, and so easy to store. There's height adjustment right here, an ergonomic handle, and of course it's part of the One Plus family, so the one battery does the whole range. So if you're a lawn enthusiast or just want to be the envy of your street, I reckon it's the RYOBI One Plus cylinder lawnmower for you.
RYOBI, a cut above.